Consider the statements. Statement A. Conjunctive form of Boolean expression results in a NAND logic circuit. Statement B. Disjunctive form of Boolean expression results in a OR AND logic. Which of the statement in the given option is correct? So there is an important term, that is conjunctive and disjunctive. Now we will examine what is conjunctive and disjunctive. Conjunctive. Conjunctive is nothing but product of some expression. Product of some expression, and we will examine that this product of some expression is implemented by NAND logic or not. So this is a product of some expression. To implement this expression, we need two OR gate and one AND gate. So in the given question, it is NAND logic. If we want to convert this into NAND, we will put a NOT here, a NOT here, a NOT here, a NOT here. These two knots will compensate each other and cancel each other. Now this expression, this gate will now get converted into a NOR gate. So it is a two level, first level and second level. It is a two level NOR logic, not NAND logic. So option statement A is wrong. Disjunctive form is nothing but sum of product like this, AB plus CD. Now to implement this expression, we need two AND gate and one OR gate. So in the given statement, is it implemented by OR AND logic? No, this is implemented by AND OR logic. So answer for this question is both the statement are false. Or simply we can say that the conjunctive form is same as product of some form of Boolean expression. All product of some form can be realized by NOR two-level circuit. Disjunctive form is same as sum of product of Boolean expression. All sum of product form can be realized by AND or two-level circuits. So from the given option, the answer D is right.